Yes, you actually, it was discussed last time. We discussed, okay, chemical reaction, reactant product, comment type. Yes. Yeah.
So we'll discuss.
Yes.
Chemical equation.
Balance chemical, from there you can do.
Types
Balance
of
chemical.
chemical.
Okay.
Namaskar everyone. I'm from group Heisenberg. I'm going to discuss types of chemical reaction. Classification of reaction has two objectives. It helps us to recognize similar among them, and it enables us to predict the products of certain reaction. Means it helps to predict what type of product is formed after reaction of two or more reactants. A particular reaction may fall into more than one of the types that we will defines in the book. There are innumerable chemical reactions taking place in nature. The following are the principal classes or the types of chemical reaction: additional or synthesis or combinational reaction. Combination reaction occurs when two substances, generally elements, combine and form a compound. Sometimes these are called synthesis or additional reaction. You can see here reactants plus reactants is equals to product. In here, a certain reactants react to form a particular product, only one. Like for example, when hydrogen and oxygen react together, then they form water or H2O. Similarly, when carbon and oxygen react each other, they form carbon dioxide. Decomposition or dissociation. So, in this reaction, a certain compound is decomposed. For example, when water is electrolyzed, it breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen into simpler substance. Displacement or replacement reaction. In this reaction, the reactants are replace their place, and they make bond with another product. Okay. Acid base reaction or neutralization reaction. We know that when acid and base reacts, they neutralize each other. Chemical reactions are often accompanied by observable change as they occur. These include color, state, and temperature change, formation or precipitation, absorption or release of heat, evolution of gases in bubbles, coating of one metals to another. Combinational reaction, the chemical reaction in which a single compound is formed by the direct combination of two or more reactions, is called combination reaction. It is also called synthesis reaction. I have already told that when certain reactants reacts to form a product, and it is example like when magnesium and oxygen reacts, they form magnesium oxide. When iron combines with oxygen, they form iron oxide. You can see here 4Fe plus 3O2 is equals to 2Fe2O3. When sodium combines with oxygen, they form sodium oxide. 2Na plus O2 is equals to 2Na2O2. Decomposition reaction. In this reaction, the catalyst speeds up the rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. A general decomposition reaction is written as A plus B is equals to AB, means they are split into two simpler products. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, whenever Ritika makes the slides, he makes maximum number of slides, right? Give her a big round of applause. And she finds very lovely diagrams as well, right? Mainly, you have to remember four type of chemical reactions that we are going to discuss, right? What are they? Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, acid base reaction. Yes or no? Combination, what happens? Two or more elements or compounds combined together and form one product. If one product is formed, combination. If one reactant breaks down, that is decomposition. If the ions exchange, displacement. If acid and base react together, if so, let me write here four examples, okay? Because here is quite lovely animation. So you find out, right? Animation cancer, not cancer, or cancer. Thank you and thank you will write. So this is it. I've written here four reactions, four equations. They say. What is the first one? Fe plus S gives FeS. Second one, J10 plus HCl gives JnCl2 plus H2. MgO gives Mg plus O2. MgO plus HCl, MgCl2 plus H2. Now you tell me what is A, what is B, what is C, what is D. D is combination? Is it combination? Why? If product is one, very easy, that is combination. This is combination reaction. Combination, nothing? Oh, I'll give you. And next one? This is displacement reaction. Actually, there are two type of displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction and double reaction. Next one? Decomposition. Decomposition, not decomposition. MgO plus HCl and Cl plus H2. Because H2O also. Here is base. What is this? Base. Metallic oxide or hydroxide is base. And hydrochloric acid, right? So they are reactive together and it is acid base reaction. Okay, I think I might have given you the other works and why didn't they remember? Now I will mark there also. Just mark it. After Heisenberg, which one is there? Whittaker. After Whittaker, who is there? Mendeleev. So Whittaker and Mendeleev will complete this chapter, right? I'll give them work. Whittaker and Mendeleev. Whittaker, stand away. Or not this one. Or this one we have to see here. Decomposition reaction, acid base nucleation. Now,
Up to 42 completed, 342
342.
Yes.
This books I have. But will pass me to because my book is not functioning.
About the chapter chemical reactions, which is done by our group Whittaker. So Robert Whittaker. So Robert Harding Whittaker was born December 27, 1920, October 20, and 1980. Was an American plant ecologist. We also know he's active from the 1950 to 1970s. He was the first to propose 5 kingdom taxonomic classifications of the world's biota into Animalia, planting fungi, and Protista and Monera. In 1960 years, he also proposed to Whittaker biome classification which categorized biome types upon two biological factors, temperature and precipitation. He also proposed the concept of alpha diversity, beta diversity, and gamma diversity. So here is some examples also. So when lead oxide is heated, it decomposes and into lead and oxygens. So also here is one another example is when water is electrolyzed, it gives hydrogen and oxygens. So another example is when ultraviolet rays of the sunlight affect the oxygen at the stratosphere of atmosphere, it changes into ozone. And another example is when a sodium peroxide is treated with the catalyst manganese dioxide, it gives oxygen gas and water. Displacement of reaction. So chemical reaction in which an atom or group of element in a molecule is replaced by another atom or a group of atoms is called displacement reaction. It is a substituent or displacement reaction. There are two types of reaction is given here. So what first one is single displacement reactions and double displacement reactions. First one is single displacement reaction. In these reactions, we learn that an atom or element in the molecule is replaced by another atom or molecule compounding forming the end products. That is called sorry, single displacement or element in reactions. So he is given examples also. AB plus C gives A plus BC. A single displacement reaction is also known as reaction. Is a type of chemical has given definitions also. So I would like to call Sonish to present.
Single displacement reaction is as follows. When zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid, hydrogen gas is liberated and a solution of zinc sulfate is formed. When calcium reacts with sulfuric acid, hydrogen gas is produced and calcium sulfate is produced. And when potassium reacts with the hydrochloric acid, potassium displaces with the hydrogen and forms potassium chloride and hydrogen. Double displacement reaction. The reaction in which two compounds react together to form two or other compounds by mutual exchange of their ions is called double decomposition reaction. Example: when a solution of calcium chloride is treated with a solution of silver nitrate, calcium nitrate and silver chloride are from examples. When sodium sulfate is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride hydrogen sulfide are formed, and when potassium carbonate is treated with ammonium uh, iodide, potassium iodide and ammonium carbonate are formed, and when a solution of calcium chloride with a solution of silver nitrate and silver chloride are formed. An acid-base reaction. An acid-base reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs between an acid and a base. As you can see in the figure, they thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So, he has brought here many more examples. I will just give the examples out. Okay, I will just change that into symbolic reaction. Right? See here, when lead oxide is heated, now these reactions, lead oxide means PbO. Lead oxide, when it is heated, you can write here, and Pb plus O2. Gases are written in molecular form. So this type of chemical reaction is actually this is decomposition reaction. What is this? one is breaking down, and but this is unbalanced equation. What do you call it? Why? Number of atoms are unequal. No, here are one atom, two atom. Here one plus two, three atoms. Atoms I'm talking. So to balance, we have to multiply here two, and you also two. Then this is called balanced chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation contains unequal number of atoms of elements in the reactant end product. Balance contains equal number, right? When water is electrolyzed, so H2O, electrolyzed means this electricity passed, you will get here H2 plus O2. So for gas, this will like this here, right? When ultraviolet rays of the sunlight affect the oxygen at the stratosphere atmosphere, it changes into ozone. That means O2 plus O, UV rays, they give become garbage. It became garbage because decomposition happens, no? And I showed here.
Yes. Company.
Yeah. So become combination I was doing. Very happy type of answer here. So what it should be? Ozone breaks down is here. Ozone breaks down means what will happen? I'll show you. Ozone breaks down. O3 breaks down UV rays. Then here we O2 and O is formed. Again, O3 decomposes, and this is only, not anymore. Otherwise, it will be more confusing. Decomposition means one reacting other products, no? Just that much only you have to do. Otherwise, you will be hijada. Yes or no? And then you have to eat khichada. Not khichada, khichadi. Right? Now, when sodium peroxide is treated, sodium peroxide means oxygen in. When sodium peroxide treated with the catalyst, no sodium, hydrogen peroxide, what should be here? When hydrogen peroxide is treated, then we will get oxygen gas and water. So H2O2, hydrogen peroxide is H2O2, MnO2 catalyst, H2O plus O2. So one reactant, more products. Has it come on? In that way. Displacement reaction, already said. How many types of displacement reactions are there? Two types. What are they? Single displacement. Okay, look at here. Here are two radicals. Here is only one radical. So this type of displacement reaction is single. But another type of chemical reaction where this type of chemical reaction is called double chemical reaction. Here two, हम दो हमारे दो, double displacement. हम दो हमारे एक. What is that? Single displacement. Because if we talk about this, now what type of chemical reaction is this? Single. Because here are two, but here is only one. But simply if you add here one more, what is this? Double displacement. Here two, here two, here two, here two. But here two, one, one, two means that is single displacement, right? Here is given chemical reaction. Read the first example. When zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, then hydrogen gas is liberated and solution of zinc sulfate is formed. Very easy. Zinc reacts with sulfuric acid. Zinc, what is that? Z10. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Now what do you get here? Z10SO4, Z10SO4 plus H2. Zinc displaces hydrogen. Zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. When calcium reacts with sulfuric acid, hydrogen gas is produced and calcium. So okay, calcium Ca plus H2SO4. What do you get? CaSO4 plus H2. So these are balanced chemical reactions. They are balanced, right? So see, such type of chemical reaction is single displacement reaction. So next one is double displacement. In double displacement, what will happen? When a solution of calcium chloride is treated with a solution of silver nitrate. See here. calcium chloride CaCl2 plus silver nitrate AgNO3. It gives CaNO3 whole 2 plus AgCl. Whatever chemical reaction it is? Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Here are two, 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 two. Next one is what is that? Acid base reaction. Acid base reaction also looks like double displacement reaction. Hey, acid base reaction also looks like double displacement reaction. But what is the difference?
There is this.
In double displacement reaction, there is acid and base. What? That's the correct base. For example, just to identify whether that is acid base reaction or double displacement reaction. I will give two examples. Two things are here.
Yes, sir.
What are they? AgCl plus H2O, AgOH plus HCl, AgO plus HCl, AgCl plus H2O. These are double displacement reactions, but one is acid base reaction. What do you think? Which one is acid base reaction? Here is silver chloride and water. So this is double displacement reaction. AgO plus HCl. This is also double displacement reaction, but here is acid. What is this? What is this? Base. When acid and base react together, what is it form? Acid and salt and water. When acid and base react together, what do they give? So acid base they neutralize each other and form neutral substances. That's why it is also called neutralization reaction. Other name of acid base reaction is neutralization reaction because in acid neutralizes a base and forms neutral substances. What are they? Salt and water. Salt and water are neutral, but acid and base are dangerous, right? Okay, up to there is completed. Remaining will be completed by tomorrow. Tomorrow Tuesday. Wednesday there is our mini project work also, or science exhibition, then revision. Today, now student, what am I going to give you? I am going to give you grid or question. Okay, understood or not? Now let me give the grid for making question. It is group wise work. Group wise work. Sorry. No, last time you had made question only. Now today I will give the grid. Last time I didn't give a grid. Did I give the grid? Chapters name I will give. MCQ. From which chapter, how much marks in that way? And from tomorrow there will be presentation. One period is separated for presentation only. Tomorrow, okay, how many students are there in this group? Four are there. So you divide yourself. Who is going to do MCQ? Who is going to do very short questions? Who is going to do short questions? Who is going to do long questions? And tomorrow we will discuss only MCQ. Understood? Of all. Individual groups like, but while writing, write down Newton's MCQ. Heisenberg's MCQ. Tomorrow MCQ only we'll discuss. Next day we'll discuss short question. No, very short questions. Next day short question in that way. Is that clear? Grid. Ready? Grid time. Science 10. We talking now yellow. Full mark 75. Listen, so SN symbol number or serial number. Chapter. MCQ 10, DSQ 8 or 9, SQ 28, 28 marks, and long questions 28. Total marks. How many chapters are there altogether? Chapters. Hello, how many chapters are there? 15 chapters are there. 15, yeah. Just 3 line I have made. 4 line. 5. 6. 7. 8. What is next? 9. What is next? 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Okay. I think one word we can do here. Okay. Chapter 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Right? What the 15th chapter? Chemical reaction. Yeah. Classification of elements. Next, ICT. Universe. Then we talking magnetism, wave, heat, pressure, force and where is hole? Oh, that camera can be seen over here. See? Yeah. If you come and see the camera reflection, just come here. No, yeah, no, camera that we can see. No, how you have to do. Only question is from each you can give. One question, 2 mark. One question, 2 mark. From honeybee, you don't need to give 1 question, 2 mark. 1 question, 2 mark. 1 question, 2 mark. 2 mark. Except honeybee from all. The long questions we will give from classification of elements, 1 question, 4 marks. And then ICT, 1 question, 4 marks. Universe, 1 question, 4 marks. Electricity management, 1 question, 4 marks. Wave, 1 question, 4 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heat, 1 question, 4 marks. Pressure, 1 question, 4 marks. Because these chapters are taught after first term, so we have to give more priority, right? Now let's see the marks. Total marks here how much? 3, 2, then honeybee only 1, heredity 2, then life process 3, 2, 4, then pressure 7, 4, 6, 7, heat 8, it is right. Wave 4, 6, 7, then electromagnetism 8, and universe 8, then ICT 8, and classical elements 8, and next 4. Total how much? Count once. 2 plus 3? 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 7, 8, 7, 8,
47.
8,
55.
8 plus 12.
65.
Madness. That is it. Now I want 4. The 5 set of question answer. Prepare question and mark the answer also. Make PDF and send it to me. Four works you have to do. First of all, prepare question. Make PDF. Third, compose email and send. Question.
Sir, tomorrow only answer.
Tomorrow MCQ will be discussing all.
While saying you have to say all or only answer.
No MCQ only.
Tomorrow answer.
Tomorrow the MCQ only you can say. But you have to write name. Like Newton MCQ, Heisenberg MCQ, like that. Okay.
Sir, who will send? Leader or
The leader. Who is the leader?
who make data?
No. Leader is responsible. Otherwise, who make later. I don't know. Leader's duty is this. You can send it to your leader. Okay, leader, stand up. Leader, stand up. Okay. Luniba is there. Pujana. You 4 and 5. 6 became. Oh, 5. Pujana, which group people?
Einstein.
Oh. Then leader must send it to me. So you just make your members very active and submit. Okay. Now you can start writing the question and answers. Right now you can start. Okay, start now. Okay, Sridhar bhai.